Hi TPS fans, Sarah here at Team Powersports in Garner, and today I'd like to introduce a new video series we're doing here called How to Powersports. As you know, not everybody is an experienced rider who's looking for an on-road moto vlog for their motorcycle information. This video series is going to be answering basic questions like today's video, how to start a motorcycle. To begin, you'll need to turn the ignition to the on position. On this particular motorcycle, the ignition is here on the handlebars. Well, on the triple tree is what this piece is called on this motorcycle. We switch it to the on position, and here you can see the gauges are woken up. However, this motorcycle will not yet start because it also has to be in the run position. This is what they call the kill switch. There is the X on this side and the circle on that side. When you switch it to the run position, you'll hear the fuel injector prime. Now, I can begin to start the motorcycle, but there's a couple of steps you may want to take first. If the kickstand is down, make sure that the motorcycle is in neutral, because most modern motorcycles will not start with the kickstand down if they are not in the neutral gear position. Neutral, of course, being a half step between first gear and second gear on most modern motorcycles. And now, with the motorcycle in neutral and the kill switch in the run position, I can start the motorcycle with the starter, indicated here by the circle with the lightning bolt on it. And remember, if you accidentally stall your motorcycle, you will be able to quickly restart it by pulling in the clutch and pressing the starter. And that is how you start the average motorcycle. If you have any questions about power sports or how to do certain things with certain machines, drop a comment down below and we will try and get to your questions about power sports on this brand new segment here at Team Powersports, How to Powersports. That's it, TPS fans. We will catch you in the next video.